Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soleil's Life. So today I have two pieces in front of me. This is a quick denim top. I have two pieces in front of me, cut the exact same size, length by width. Also the pattern for this will be inserted in the video with measurements. So first I'm going to do is line the two pieces together. Then I'm going to take my pins and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to place the pin on the side. And once you look at the pattern, you're going to see the measurement for the seam allowances on both ends that I left out. So it will be marked on the pattern. So here I'm going to go ahead and stitch the seam allowance. I'm going to join these two pieces into one and I'll be back to continue with the next step. Now this is what the left and right side piece looks after I've joined the back together. This section here could be serged or it could be folding a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch and flat stitch down. Either way it's an option. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to pin. I'm going to fold this in and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin all the way alongside. Till we get to the end. So I'm going to do this exact same way. I'm just going to do it all the way around the top. So I'm going to do the bottom and the top area. I'm just going to pin it all the way down, flat stitch it, and then I'll be back to show you what we're going to do next. So here I have the top joined together and I also hem the top and bottom of the top all the way over. I also serged it and flat stitch it down. So now we have the both ends that are open. What I did was I pinned down the measurements, which I think is either 2 inches or 1.5. I folded in 1/2 inch and then flipped it over. So I'm gonna flat stitch exactly where the pins are now. I'm just gonna flat stitch down that. So I'm gonna go ahead now and flat stitch down the front. So this will be the front opening of the top. And once you're done that, your top will be completed. So I'm going to go ahead now and flat stitch down the front.